All right, everybody, we're here at Minnehaha Falls, Minnesota. Frozen ice. This is about 50 feet up, I'd say. Just a guess. There's in comparison to a person. So yeah, it's springtime now, so it's starting to melt, but you could also go behind the cave here. It's all ice. Oh man, this is sweet.
What up, guys? What's up? Dude, I'm in an ice cave. I've never been here.
So in the summer, this is all you can walk behind there.
Yeah. We got photos of your brother and I and stuff. Be careful.
Watch your step. It's slippery. Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Oh shit, it's slippery. Oh shit. Oh yeah. I'm gonna take a video real quick. How much comes through?
Don't walk through, dude.
Here's one of the openings to the ice cave. Oh damn, that's slippery. That's that claw. Yo! What up?
What time is it? We have 20 minutes.
Where's that lead? Another little crevice?
Sweet.
Oh, really?
There's people stealing nature's stuff.
Where?
Oh, nice.
I gotta get in there. Give me a picture.
Ow! You got very sweaty. Oh, did you hear your face on something? Yeah.
See the water rushing up here.
I don't think it's bothers me. And there's so many people watching. I think it's
It's like a rainbow.
my equipment out there. But I'm not going to bring some in here.